Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today with a very useful video, automate your trades in less than 1 minute without any coding. That's what we are going to discuss. Friends, being a trader, we go through a lot of challenges, right? We have to sit in front of our system from morning to evening. We have to do right analysis. We have to do on-time execution. Sometimes we see a price on the screen. The moment we punch the order, the price actually skip and we don't get the right opportunity. Also, sometimes we drain with our emotions because we go through a lot of ups and downs in the stock market, right? Also, even we actually don't get the enough time to invest for our personal or professional lives, right? Since we spend a lot of time on screen. So, by automating your trades, you can actually come out of from all these issues. You can actually remove all these challenges, right? So today I'm going to show you how you can automate your trades in less than 1 minute without any code. So when I say automation, most of the people think that, oh, I need to learn coding, I need to learn Python, or I need to learn AFL, I need to learn XYZ and all. But in fact, nowadays you have a lot of tools available in the market where without learning any coding, you can actually automate your trades, right? And also in case if you have a like complicated strategies which you want to automate, sometime there may be a limitation using these tools. Those time only you need to have the coding. For that, even you don't have to learn. Anyway, learning is good always, but you don't have to learn. You can even actually outsource those work with, to somebody, right? So today I'm going to show you anyway how you can automate your trading without any coding in less than 1 minute, right? So when I say automation, what does it mean? What is an automation? Automation, basically whatever the work we were doing in manual, we are completely making it automatic, right? So that's what we are going to do. For example, the moment I enter into my office, I switch on the light, right? And the moment I exit, go out of the cabin, I switch off my the lights. So this, if I want to automate, what should I do? I may need to keep a sensor or whatever. The moment I enter inside, it has to switch on. The moment I go out, it has to switch on, right? So there are sensors available. If I connect with switch and everything, it can work out. Similar way, here, whatever work we used to do manually, we are actually making automated, right? So the analysis part, execution part, and the monitoring part, risk management, everything we are actually making it automated. So why should actually we do automation? Number one, friends, to execute the trade within a fraction of seconds, it will be difficult if you are a manual trade, right? So in case if you want to have the right execution, the right price, you need to have the fast execution. So when you automate this system, the order can be executed within fractions of seconds, right? That's a one advantage. So you don't miss that price or the opportunity. Number two, see, we as a trader, we spend a lot of time on the screen. So we can actually reduce it. Your time required morning maybe less than 1 minute. Just set the system, switch off, shut down, go and enjoy your life. Maybe after 3:15 you come back and see whether what happened for the day, right? That's the only thing you need to do. So everything system will run automatically. Then being a trader, we go through so emotional ups and downs. So you can completely avoid it and you can live a happy life, right? And also, friends, all we know that most of our loss has happened due to the emotional part, right? So that will be completely eliminated. So we get a lot of advantage when you automated our trading. So today I'm going to show you how we can automate our trading with less than a minute without any coding, right? So friends, first I want to show you what are the settings we should have, right? So let me share my screen and show you what are the tools which we need to automate our trades. So these are the settings which we need, right? Now, first, we should have a software that will do analysis for us, right? We may be someone who is using TradingView. That's one of the common chart what most of the people are using, right? Or AMI broker, or charting, or MetaTrader, or using Python. Python anyway comes to the coding part, so remove that, right? So, for example, let us say TradingView. TradingView is one of the commonly used charting tool, and we all use it. So, we can actually from TradingView, whatever the signals we are generating, we can actually connect with our broker's terminal. So what we need is, first we need a charting software, maybe let us say TradingView, right? It's a very simple charting software which can be used by anyone, and it's so easy to learn also, right? So maybe by using your indicators, or maybe using your price action, you maybe have your own strategies, right? So from TradingView, you need to have the analysis part. And this TradingView will be connected with Algover. Algover is my platform, which is an algo trading platform. So in Algover, there are two divisions, right? One, the Algover platform can be used to automate your existing trading strategy and make it completely automated, right? Second one, Algover also itself has its own strategies. There are many advanced algorithmic strategies. Even somebody subscribed to Algover, those strategies can be used, right? So Algover can be used in two ways. So now Algover can be connected with the TradingView or AMI broker, whatever it may be, using a webhook, right? So through using a webhook, we can connect up these two platforms. And whatever signals it's generating from TradingView, for example, from TradingView, it has to pass to Algover. So here the problem what happened, TradingView will be generating a signal by its own language, and Algover knows another language which can pass to the exchange, right? So what we need is, we need something called JSON, right? This is a format. JSON is a format. So this format the moment it generates a signal, it has to pass to Algover using JSON format, right? It's a JSON format, it will pass it. I will show you with the example, so don't worry about it. So just understand that there is something called JSON and there is something called webhook. Using these two things, we are connecting Algover. So the moment it pass a signal to Algover, Algover would have been connected to broker's terminal using API, right? Application program interfaces. So using API, these two software would connected. So Algover will pass the order to broker's terminal. And from broker's terminal, broker's server, it will go to exchange server using CTCL, computer to computer link, right? And after executed, the exchange will pass the information back to broker's server, and from this back to Algover, right? So this is all the process. And Algover will not pass the information back to TradingView. It stayed there because this is the main platform, the algo trading platform. Your risk management, your other or related to your algo trading actually will be controlled from Algover, right? This we are using only to generate the signals, right? So this is what the backend process happens. So when I say about this backend process, it took a lot of time, and you all may be wondering, how fast it is, right? Is it so easy or is it so faster? Whether the moment the signal gets generated, how much time it will take to execute and get the confirmation back, right? So I will be showing you how faster is the all processes, right? Just let me share my platform called Algover. So friends, this is what the Algover platform. So let me just log in. Here, order log. So here you can see some orders actually went today, right? Now, here, let us say I click on any of these, you can see here the broker latency and system latency. System latency is the Algover platform latency. It's a 0 milliseconds. Broker's latency is 2747 milliseconds. So everything happens within a fractions of seconds. Here, everything is in milliseconds, right? You can see 2500 milliseconds, 0 milliseconds. You can see here, broker latency is only 754 milliseconds. So faster it is, right? So the entire process, generating signal until execution and getting confirmation, everything took just a 754 milliseconds, right? That's what. That's how the platform, and that much faster is the platform, right? Now let me show you how you can automate your trading strategy. For example, in this, you can see that there is a chart of Reliance, right? In Reliance, basically here you can see it's a 15 minutes chart. It's a trading view software. So all you can, in case if you're not using trading view, you can just sign with the trading view. To get the basic features, you don't have to pay anything. Mine is not a paid version. I used to use paid version. Now, since I have my own software, I don't use it. It's a paid version. So now, how you can automate your trading strategy from trading? First thing, let us input some indicator, right? Either indicator-based trading or it's a price action-based trading, whatever it may be, both can be automated. So now, for example, I'm just keeping a EMA, right? Moving average exponential, right? Now, I am going to create a signal of let us say whenever the price cross above 20 EMA, I'm just going to reduce this. Yeah. So my strategy is very simple. Whenever the price goes above 20 EMA, I want to buy it. Whenever price comes down 20 EMA below, then I need to sell it, right? So what I am going to do is I have inserted my trading detail, the strategy here, right? Now I need to go to alerts, click on alerts and create a new alert, right? That's a plus sign, click on that. And here the Reliance price closing up, what? Not price, EMA 20, right? So if the Reliance price closing up 20 EMA, right? Once per bar, right? Once the bar is closed only I want it. Otherwise, you have only one option is there, 1 per minute is there, 1 per bar is there. Once the bar is closed, right? The candle is closed. I want to send it. Let us say this is a test 1, or test 1 is already the test 3, right? Now here the message what it says, no? Here I need to give that alert in form of JSON. So from where I can get the JSON format? I need to go to my trading settings and go to my keys. Here I have a trading view condition data, right? Click on that, copy that, come back to here and paste it here, right? So now this is the format. You can see exchange, close, ticker, order type, all these things. So in case if you don't want MIs, you want normal, you can put normal, right? All these things, then click on create. That's it. Oh, sorry. One more thing we need to do is because this, since it's not a paid version, it's not accepting it. Okay, now this is a JSON format. One more thing we need to do is go to notification, and here you have an option to link your webhook. So webhook, how you can get it? Come to Algor platform back. Here my trading view code. Just copy that, paste it here. That's it. Then your alert is created. So the moment the price goes above 20 EMA, it will generate a buy signal and fire to your trading account, right? It's all will happen within a fraction of a second. Once you set this, no, you can just close this, shut your system and go and watch a movie or whatever you want it to, right? Similar way, if you want to create a sell signal, same concept, say Reliance price closing down 20 EMA, right? 1 per bar closes here again with the JSON format, and here we need to JSON format. Here we need to connect the webhook URL. Click on create. That's it, right? The moment. Okay. Now here small setting we need to do is instead of here we copy, it's a buy. Instead of buy, we need to put as sell. That's it, right? That's it. Click on create. Over. Your duty is over. Then the moment the sell signal generates, it will automatically fire down. Right? It is so easy that you don't have to worry about anything. The moment once you set the system, you can just shut and go and enjoy your life. Right? Similar way, this is one indicator, right? Now you want to do, let us say, one more indicator. For example, EMA crossover you want. Right? That's one commonly used strategy, right? Or for that, for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more, this one. For example, commonly used two EMAs are 120, right? I'm just changing the. So these are not strategy I'm talking. These are some indicators people are using. So I'm just randomly taking it, right? So people normally use these two indicators whenever the 20 EMA comes above 100 EMA. Normally it's a buy signal, and whenever 100 EMA comes above 20 EMA, it is a sell signal, right? Now let us learn how to create those alerts. Again, go to the alert, here alert option, click on this one. And what we want crossover of EMAs, right? So whenever 20 EMA crossing up value of 100 EMA, then I want to put here JSON format, whatever buy, sell, whatever. Then click here webhook also. That's it. Create that. Create the alert. That's it. Right? Your job is done. Similar way, if you want to have sell whenever 20 EMA crossing down, or whenever 100 EMA crossing up, whichever, both are same, right? 20 EMA, here put your webhook with the sell signal, and here put the webhook, and here JSON format, click on create. That's it. Your job is done, right? Create that alert, shut the system, go back and enjoy your life, right? So what I want to say is, to automate your trade, it is so easy. Nowadays, you don't have to worry about coding and other. If it's slightly high complicated one, either you can use Pine script, which is a trading programming language, or AFL, which is AMI broker, or Python, or even Java, whatever you want, we can use it, right? For that, you don't have to learn those coding. Even you can outsource the people. When we have people, or if you want, there are a lot of freelancers who will give you at a very lesser price, and you can automate your earning. You can get it programmed, right? After programming, you can connect with the Algover platform and get the trading done, right? Now, one more thing I will show you. If you are someone who is a price action trader, okay, you are telling DINOJ, I am not an indicator-based trader, I am a price action trader. In fact, I am a price action trader, right? You can see. So here, you let us say you identified there was some critical support level right here, right? So the moment there was some support resistance level, so here this was one support or resistance you have identified, right? So now you want to go short the moment if any candle closes below this line, right? Now how to automate it? It's very simple. Click on the horizontal line and click on alert, add alert. Here, Reliance price crossing down the horizontal line. Once the bar is closed, JSON format, webhook, create alert. That's it. Similar way, opposite, closing up, whatever. Right? Very simple. You set everything and shut the system. Go and enjoy your life. Right? So friends, that's easy is that much easy is how you can automate your trading nowadays, right? So I want all you to do a trial in case if you wish to check how you can automate, how easy it is. I am ready to give you my platform for 1 week trial, 7 days trial. So you can subscribe. You can go to my website called algover.com and click on 7 days free trial, and see how this automation everything works and how beautifully you can live your life, right? But one thing what you need to understand first is you need to understand, is it worth to automate your trade or not? That's a very important thing, right? Because it is a business. If you are someone who is playing with a small capital, I suggest not to go with an algo trading platform, because because your cost of operation will be anyway higher. So it won't make any big sense actually, right? For example, let me show you a small calculation. How you need to calculate in terms of a business, how you should calculate whether it is worth to go with a algo trading platform, or should I just stay with my manual trading, right? Let us say you are someone who is currently trading with a 1 lakh capital, okay? And there is another guy who is trading with a 5 lakh capital, right? 5 lakh capital. Now, on an average, both of you generate monthly around, for example, a 4% return. which is one of the reasonable good return, right? And so if 4% of 1 lakh is 4,000, 4% of 4% of 5 lakh is 20,000, right? Now these are the net return you are normally generating using your manual trades. Now it's a question whether what are the extra charges you are going to incur using automation and what are the benefit you are going to get, right? Now, for example, now I will go over platform. Will have a charge of what 3,000 plus GST, what currently we are charging, right? And trading view will charge you around 1,200 plus GST, whatever they charge, right? There are some brokers, not all the brokers, some brokers, they charge you 2,000 rupees for API service. For connecting this algo trading platform, for the API service, they charge you. Not all the brokers, majority of the brokers are giving it free. Some brokers are actually charging 2,000, right? Now, here, your cost of operation, right? Apart from this, you have to spend a 6,200 rupees for this business. So what benefit you are going to get? By investing this amount, your complete headache of making mistake, sitting in front of the system from morning to evening, all those things can be eliminated. So your investment amount comes only 6,200. In case if you are with a broker who doesn't charge, then it comes only this much, 4,200, right? Still, let us say let us say if you invest this amount, okay, if you invest this amount in the 1 lakh capital, you are actually making a negative return. But with the 5 lakh capital, at least you are still making some amount, right? 15,800, and it is around 3. Net you used to make 4%. Now it is 3.16%. Still, it is worth for you because you don't the mistakes can be eliminated, right? And orders can be executed within a fraction of seconds, and emotionally you don't have to drain out, right? So there will be a digital employee who will be doing trading for you, something like that, right? That's what automation. So you need to, before entering into algo trading, first you need to calculate in terms of business, is it worth actually automating your trade or not? If you are someone who's playing with a small amount, I suggest it's not worth, right? You can experiment your technology, that's it. Otherwise, I don't see it's worth to go with the algo trading platform, because on an average 3-4% kind of return what a professional traders make, right? There may be some exceptional case where 8-9%, but otherwise average 3-4%. And if someone who is actually promising you that he will give you a 20%, 30%, 50% return month on month, then that means he's trying to fool you, because in reality it is not possible. So understand and invest your time to study properly, then take an action accordingly, right? Take it as a business. So any business, before investing, we need to do in-depth analysis studies, then you invest your time, right? But according to my personal experience, I can suggest that by automating your trading, you can actually increase your profitability and efficiency of your trading, right? That's for sure, right? So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. I will meet you in some other video. Thank you very much.